Turn your windshield wipers off. Yeah, that's a fucking one.
Oh. I think maybe they want somebody to put a fucking cheeseburger up there.
Oh. Getting greedy.
Think they need some coffee?
Drew's had him a cigarette too.
Okay, here they come. They're working.
What about the person in the Mustang thing?
Look at them. They're all around the car. These are the stupidest fucking birds. Hey, on the roof. Roof.
The roof.
Up there.
French fries are on the roof.
Look how stupid this one looks. I wonder if he definitely went to a special class. Look at his face. Fucking dummy. Hello? Yeah, look.
Look up, look up.
Oh, oh, oh! There we go.
That one really.
I think he's, our movement in the car is probably screwing him up.
Oh, he's coming back. Oh, no, he's not. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, 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 oh.
Here we go. Oh, yes, he's on the roof. Don't scratch the paint. This is like going on a great adventure and fucking with those monkeys.
Yeah, until they rip your fucking antenna off. Touch and go? It's gonna be a touch and go?
There. Oh!
There's definitely scratching your fucking paint up.
I bet they're taking a shit back there. This is...
Good thing it's raining.
Come on. There we go. Oh, yes! Yes! This is beautiful. Now he's going to go back and...
Here we go. He's going to land. He's going to land.
Nice.
Oh. Kind of sounds creepy.
He's back there.
Being attacked.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah! They're coming in. He's coming in. Oh! What a pig. He took more than one. Look at him. Look at this. Look at this. You big fucking fat pig. Look at them. Look, they're fighting. Don't fight on my car.
He just kicked two of them off onto the windshield wiper.
Motherfuckers.
Oh, hit the windshield wiper if one goes down. One goes down, hit the fucking windshield wiper. Especially if it comes this way and you fucking turn it on. Just. I think that's all we're getting right now. Oh!
Hey! Dude, there's nothing here.
There's one right there, too. This thing is just chilling.
We're being attacked by fucking birds.
Yeah, you missed it. It just tried to put his feet on the windshield and slid right down.
Did he?
Oh. Come on. Go for the windshield. Go for the windshield. Go for the windshield. Go for the windshield.
Shit.
Oh, he's gonna go.
This is what the ass of a seagull looks like. Yeah. Oh! I couldn't tell you if it was a male or a female.
He's still there.
Hey!
Just chilling. Oh! I've never done that before. I don't know why I've never thought of that.
What? Put French fries on a sunroof?
Yeah.
T-tops.
No.
No.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Get a whole bucket surrounded that.
Cars mostly window.
All right, I'm done.